Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen in MB2K24. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to the place where you got the game, go to library, then go, I got it from Steam, so I just need to right click on properties, installed files, browse, and then new window will open up here. Then you need to look for exe file, and on this exe file you need to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure these two options is selected here, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. And then select this option, change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, and select application, and press OK and apply the changes. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that your MB is fully updated. So you just need to go to properties, updates, and always select this option, always keep me updated. And then you just need to right click properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. And if this doesn't help, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, you just need to open up settings, and then you need to go to Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists. Same thing with your GPU drivers, and depending of course on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. I can easily go to it, go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update, I can easily install it. If using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that as well. And there is another way how you can do that. You just need to go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, right click, Update Driver, and search automatically for drivers. And if this doesn't help, then you need to make sure to disable overlay applications. So for example, if you're using Steam, of course, if you play the game and use Steam, you need to make sure to disable overlay, because sometimes it can cause the problem. So you just need to go to properties, and make sure this button is toggled off, and then on Steam settings on the top left, you need to press on it, go to in-game, and also disable Steam overlay. Also Xbox Game Bar uses overlays, so you just need to go to settings, gaming, Xbox Game Bar, make sure this is turned off. Captures, make sure that this option is turned on as well. Also GeForce Experience uses overlay. You just need to go to settings and then disable in-game overlay, as well as Discord. So you just need to disable overlay applications, or just select that the overlay is not basically will run with an application, right? And if this doesn't help, then try to lower your in-game graphics. For example, disable VSync, shadow effects, anti-aliasing, and do these things. And if this doesn't help, sometimes it helps. And I read in the Reddit post that Alt plus Tab combo help them. So just need to press and hold Alt and Tab, and then you will see you can, once you hold the Alt and Tab, Alt and then press Tab, you can switch through programs. So if you're running the game and experiencing black screen, try to access another program, and then after that Alt and Tab, press again, and then enter the game, and sometimes it can fix your problem. But if this doesn't help, then you need to make sure you running latest DirectX and Visual C++. To do so, you just need to on Google write DirectX, and it will be my Microsoft here. You just need to download it to your computer. Same thing with Visual C++. It will be this link here. And then you need to download these two files. And after that, it should appear on your downloads folder or your desktop. And super easy installation process. You just need to press install, and then I accept, and make sure to disable this option and install it here, right? And if this doesn't help you, try to reinstall the game, because basically everything here these solutions should work for you, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.